In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play Store error DF-DFERH-01. This error usually means your phone is having trouble communicating with Google's servers. In many cases, the problem is temporary, but if it keeps showing up when you open the Play Store or try to download apps, there are a few reliable fixes you can try. The first thing to understand is that this error is commonly tied to server communication issues. That means the Play Store may not be properly syncing or connecting in the background, even if your internet seems to be working normally. Knowing that helps us focus on the right fixes instead of guessing. One of the most effective solutions is to clear the cache and data for both the Google Play Store and Google Play services, and then restart your device. This refreshes the temporary files and stored settings that may have become corrupted. If either app is holding on to bad data, clearing it can often restore normal communication with Google's systems. After you do that, reboot your phone so everything reloads cleanly. If the issue still isn't resolved, the next fix is to uninstall Play Store updates. Sometimes a recent update introduces a bug, and that can trigger the DF-DFERH-01 error. Rolling the Play Store back to its factory version can remove that problem and allow the app to rebuild itself properly. Afterward, the Play Store will usually update again on its own once the connection is stable. Another method is to remove and then re-add your Google account on the device. This helps refresh your account connection and can fix sync-related issues that may be causing the error. If your account authentication or background syncing is stuck, reconnecting the account gives your device a clean start with Google services. You should also check your date and time settings. This might seem minor, but it's actually very important if your phone's time or time zone is incorrect. Secure connections with Google's servers can fail. Make sure your device is set to update date and time automatically so it stays accurate. These are the main fixes that solve this error for most people. Go through them carefully, one at a time, and test the Play Store after each change. That way you'll know exactly which fix worked on your device. If you follow these steps, you should be able to get the Google Play Store working normally again and clear the DF-DFERH-01 error.